Hi, I'm Cliff Kirk. I'm a TV producer and welcome to another Real World Review, except this one's different. I'm here to review, to interview and to talk to a very dear old friend of mine, an American legend when it comes to building custom cars. He's built cars for Paris Hilton, for Snoop Dogg, and most of the royalty here in Dubai too. So, I'd like you all to welcome Mr. Bear Garcia. Bear, okay, so you are from California.
I'm from California, born and raised in Southern California.
Okay, can you tell me, in your own words, can you tell me, how you grew up and what got your interest in cars?
Well, growing up in Southern California, we're many generations of there. My dad grew up there. I grew up there. It's kind of part of you. It's the culture. So.
It's a loud workshop.
Yeah.
You have a lot of noise here. It's kind of hard to do an interview.
Yeah, well, this is not made up TV. This is a workshop. Compressors are running. Guys are banging on metal. This is what we deal with every day. It's not posh. We get dirty, sweaty. The weather's starting to heat up a little bit, so we will crank up some AC in here, and probably by next week. But this is a workshop. This is the life. It's not just made up for TV. This is how we earn our living.
You became a bit more famous to many people from seen you on TV and things. You became a bit more famous when I think we started getting custom car shows on TV. Most famously, West Coast Customs. How did you manage to get involved with West Coast Customs?
Well, I used to do little bits of stuff, videos for rappers and build cars for some type of celebrities. I used to do work for Snoop Dogg, make his bouncing cars and all that stuff. I had a decent, nice shop in the States where we did a lot of cool stuff, but I didn't advertise, I didn't do anything. But one of the guys from West Coast, one of the workers came over to the shop next door to me, and he just peeked into the two shops that I had, and one of them was just full of custom cars that were just storage, and he was asking like, whose cars? So then the guy approached me, and he's like, well, who's building these? And I was like, me and my two guys. No, what team? And I was like, no team, it's me and my guys. I design, I paint, I do electricals and all these other things. And so he went back to the big boss, Ryan, the owner of West Coast, and he says, I found this guy who does really cool stuff. So they invited me to the shop, and they made a proposal, so I downsized my shop. And I love building. Business part of it is not my forte, but building, welding, cutting, painting, whatever else that needs to be done to make something cool. I love that part. The business part is it has to go hand in hand, but I'm not 100%. It's not my fun thing to do. So. So I took the opportunity just to build with them for a few years, and then it ended up being 4 years, and then they sent me out to the Middle East to manage some of the work out here, and then I ended up opening my shop again and just building on my own here.
I need you to do some name dropping, because I know you have some serious names back there.
Well, I mean, besides Snoop, I've worked on videos for different rappers. I couldn't even tell you the different ones. We built a car for Kobe for his birthday present. Worked on Paris's car. I mean, people would come into the shop at any given time. Mark Wahlberg, Sly for Expendables. We built the truck for that. Companies, Asante, video gaming companies, Metal Militia, all these dirt bike guys. And when that big, the biker build-off thing was going on in Discovery Channel, they were building bikes for the show, and we were building their cars. So all that stuff was always intertwined there in Southern California.
You've done stuff for the Royals here, yeah?
Well, I mean, part of the thing that sent us out here is that we built a car for the Crown Prince in the U.S. and sent it here. Then we built the second one. By the time the third one was getting built, then that's when they decided to send me. So for the Crown Prince of Dubai, we built some cars for him, and then while I was here, we were building different cars. And everybody has their own different taste, so they would bring their ideas to me, and then we would have to put it down on a card for different royal family members. Abu Dhabi. I think I've done a car for almost every member of the royal family, for every Emirates here. Not every royal family, but at least a car or two for each Emirates here. There's 7 of them.
You've got some amazing cars. You've got a big workshop here. How's it going?
Yeah, we have 2 workshops, 16 guys who I work hand in hand with. So we have the there goes the guys there, you know. But yeah, we have a good team of guys who, some of them have been with me for, I've worked with them for 5 years, 6 years, some a couple of years, but always working hand in hand with them, teaching them what's the best way, what's the cool way. You know, some people are just, they don't have a vision of this, they know how to do their job and that's it, but you know, we think out of the box. So we think out of the box. So we put a design down for a customer. If he loves it, then we put it in a full form build. You know, so that's what we do. And it doesn't just stick to cars. We do cars. We do bikes. I do fit out for custom restaurants and even these food trucks and anything that has cool with metal and paint and design work. This is what we do. Somebody brings me an idea, I have to put it in reality.
You're doing a weird food truck at the moment, aren't you?
Yeah, we got one little cute project. It'll be it'll be mobile. It's actually a Vespa type of mini truck. It's called a Pri. We just took it apart to assess what's there. It's actually pretty clean and solid car. I drew up some sketches and some renderings for the customer. He loved them. It's just really in a mock-up stage, but in the next month or so, we're just going to start running full force on it and just get it going and make it what he really wants. Once the weather is calmed down, he really wants to put this thing to work. So we definitely have to get it done for him.
So it's kind of a mini food truck.
Yeah. So it's a mini food truck and beverage thing. He focuses on beverages more. So we have to design this thing. This is the main framework. So this is the main framework. This will come off, and then this one will be a beverage. The first one we're going to start will be a beverage one. This will be a beverage.
Drinks.
Yeah.
Say drinks.
This one will be for drinks, and this will slide off, and it'll be sitting on a stand. And then we can slide on the food one, so he can use it for different events. This is the type of stuff we do. Everything is done in-house, even all the leather work. Next door we have a upholstery shop that we do all our leather work. We have fiber guys that are making all the panels. All these panels are handmade, custom made, how we want them, not store-bought in. So these, we take parts from different cars. This is from Audi. We really like the style, so we took the vents and implement them into our classic car. But we like everything smooth and clean. This type of work takes time, patience, understanding. Even glass, we had them custom made. Most of the time, we try to get everything done in the UAE. You know, a lot of companies are ordering stuff out of states, which we do. We have to order parts for these classic cars, but like glass, we had made here. All the materials are here. The leather is here. We get it from here, so we don't have to. We try not to order from outside as much as possible. This used to be 1969 Mustang coupe. Now it's turning to a mix of 69, 68 fastback. A lot of metal work, still in stages of, you see it's in the rough stages. We're building all the pieces by hand, closing the window, making it a fastback, changing the roof, all the inner, like all these parts are all handmade, all the sheet metal. We cut it, we weld it. It's a working scoop. It's not just a fiberglass piece bolted on. We widen the body for bigger wheels. All the interior also is getting handmade. So down to making the dash, making all the body panels and everything out of fiber. Then they'll get wrapped in leather and all painted, polished, whatever we need. But now this is just in a mock-up stage and still building stage, and the guys are or getting the body lined up and trying to get it all fitting, everything fitting proper. So all these pieces are all handmade. It depends. Different guys from different parts of the team. The fiber guys, the metal guys. We have to work all together to make all these cool things happen. Let's go to the shop next door. This is the fabrication side. That was the paint side. So this is the other side of the shop where we do a lot of the welding and fabrication side. Like this one here it's a 1967 Aston Martin DBS. It's a little mix up of our style, the customer style, and just using what we have here to make it happen. It was a complete wreck, rusted, missing stuff. I've never worked on too many European cars. This one was a little bit harder for me because I don't know some of the history. I know American classic cars, Chevy and Fords and Dodges, but European cars are a different ball game. But we took it on and we're getting there.
As you can see, Bear has a lot of projects on the go. His workmanship and attention to detail make the finished car look quite incredible, and the list of high-end celebrity and royal clients is a testament to his incredible skills as a custom car builder.
Sorry. Alright, so you guys had a little look around. I need to go make some more noise, so I gotta go and get to work. I'll catch you guys later.
I hope you enjoyed my review of Bear's Wicked Customs Garage. Look out for more from Bear's Garage in the future on my channel. Meanwhile, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe to my channel. Take care, and bye for now.